we're here in Fairfield, and you can kind of see around here that the wind is not too all that bad. But when we were driving down here, there was wind whipping across the highway. And right now, wind gusts in this area are peaking at around 20 miles an hour. But there could be potential for that to jump up to 40 miles an hour later on tonight. The National Weather Service says that in the valley, the winds are expected to be 20 to 30 miles per hour, with gusts up to 40 to 50. And the mountains and the foothills could see gusts up to 40 to 60. Some people here say that there's optimism with the weather conditions despite these cautious warnings.
I doubt it might happen, but if it does, you just got to be prepared and just watch how the winds are blowing in what directions and how trees are moving around.
Yeah, once again, you can see that there's not too much wind gusts happening in this part of Fairfield that we're in. We've been seeing a couple of gusts here and there, generally just some lulls. PG&E says that at around 10 this morning, they started shutting off power to some of the 36 counties that are to be impacted with this latest PSPS, and that it is expected to last until Monday evening.
All right, Ryan Hill live in Fairfield. We'll be covering the wind gusts all evening long for us.